Hi, so for this assignment, I'm going to show basically how I set up my Google Drive and the folders I set up um, for this class. So I have two folders for this class, EDCI badges, which is everything that has to do with my course theme and the different documents that I have to do or that I have to complete the badges, and then notes for the EDCI class. And basically just for the notes folder, I just put the date of when I took the notes, and that's how that folder is set up. And then the same thing, or for the EDCI badges, it's just something that has to do with the name of the challenge. And to create a new document and save it into one of these folders, you just click this button right here and you choose if you want to create a document or whatever it is you are needing to create. And you can add your title here. So name this folder challenge. And then enter, and then that's the title for that. And then if you want to share this, you just go over here to this blue share button, click on that, and you would type here who you want to share it with. And I think here's the options. Yeah, if they can edit it, if they want to comment on it, or just view it. And so that's how you do that. And if you wanted to save this, then you can go to File, and I believe, we can go here if you want to create like a new document or whatever. But basically when you're done, it saves like as you go, so it automatically saves to your drive. So if you exit out of it and go back over here, then it shows up in your folder right here. Okay, thank you.